Hello. I just wanted to talk about a cool way to solve quadratic equations. And this is something that everybody should know. It doesn't matter if you're in high school or if you're in college or what your major is. You should know how to solve quadratic equation. So the general form of a quadratic equation is something like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Obviously, a quadratic equation can have only this part. And that means that it does not have any x in it. That means that the b, or this coefficient, could be 0. But this is just the general form, okay? And so if you wanted to solve this equation, usually a quadratic equation have two answers, meaning that there are two different x that satisfy this equation. In order to solve it, first let's delta, all right? And this delta is b squared minus 4ac. Just remember it, b squared minus 4ac, all right? So b is this value, the coefficient for x. 4 is 4, a is the coefficient for x squared, and c is this number, all right? So b squared minus 4ac, and the answers to this quadratic equation, the x that satisfy this quadratic equation, that's what you're looking for, is negative b is this number again, right? B is this coefficient, negative b plus and minus square root of delta. Delta is b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. And if you remember, I mentioned that there are two answers, two different x. It's because one of them is, you can use positive to find one of them, and you can use negative to find the other one, okay? So that's the general form to solve a quadratic equation. Here is a very basic example. 2x squared plus 5x minus 16 equals 0. Let's see if this works. I just come up with this, so I'm not really sure. So if you look at this up, then you'll have, here is your a value is 2, b value is 5, and c is negative 16. Okay, so that these are the numbers that I'm dealing with. Let's figure out how much delta is. Delta is b squared minus 4ac. All right, b squared, 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times 2 is 8, times c, which is negative 16. That's negative 16 here. All right, so I have 25 plus 128 plus 25 is 153. All right. And x, therefore, is negative b, negative 5, okay, plus and minus delta. Delta was 153, divided by 2a. 2 times 2, because a is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. All right, so what I have is two different numbers. Let's use the positive first. I have negative 5 plus square root of 153 divided by 4. The second one I have is negative 5, negative square root of 153 divided by 4. All right. First one is a positive number. Second one is a negative number. So square root of 153 is 12.3. All right, 12.36. I would call it 12.3. So what I have here is negative 5 plus 12.3 divided by 4. All right, and then what I have here is negative 5, negative 12.3 divided by 4. All right, so This one is 1.8. All right. And the other one, negative 4.3. So we have two numbers basically here that satisfy this equation. 1.8 and negative 4.3. If you put them in that equation, it satisfies this quadratic equation. It's very easy to do it. You can do it. Just remember that delta is b squared minus 4ac, and the answers that you're looking for is negative b plus and minus square root of delta divided by 2a. All right, have a good one.